Good evening, everyone. So, for all those people who have been watching these videos very regularly, today is what you can call as a payday. All our predictions have come true very nicely, very nicely. Some of the charts are too beautiful to look at. So, without any further delay, let me present the top five active stocks by volume on Nifty 50. First one is Tata Steel, right? Tata Steel, it's behaving as we said, quite unpredictably, consolidating here, not showing much movement. It ended with a higher high and a lower higher high and a higher low, but still it's trending in between this channel. It's not showing much at the moment, so we'll just watch it for now. But it's been the most traded stock for quite some time now, since the time we started this channel. So very surprising that the price movement is not there, only the volume is moving. In any case, let's not waste too much time. Let's go to ONGC. ONGC was the second most active stock here. For now, those who have been watching these videos very carefully, very diligently, here we go. This is where it line crossed. We had said earlier in the videos a few days ago that this line will cross and we will see an upside uh, in this chart, and that has already happened. If we look at a 15-day chart, this we can clearly see that this was always bound to happen. This was our resistance line, and it has already touched the uh, first target. If it crosses this, then there's more upside to come. But we'll wait for it, and we'll probably put the trend line tomorrow in case this crosses. But very happy to see this chart performing as we predicted. Now let's go to NTPC. NTPC, the next one. Yeah. So NTPC, if you remember, let me put up a daily chart. NTPC, if you remember, first we had said it might go down or up, and finally it's when we saw this candle forming, this one, we had predicted that this will go up, uh, but we thought this would be a retest, uh, and this would be this line we draw. This would be the target of that retest. So it touched that target. Now the way things are happening, the way volumes are, there's a high chance that this will go up. What we had predicted was that this would be a retest, and the prices will start falling down. But from the patterns, from the way the market is moving, the previous patterns, the primary trend is upwards, and this started from here at this point where my cursor is not yet finished. This is the first peak, the first trough, again the first peak, second peak, second trough, the third peak and third trough. Probably after that we'll see this one take some rest, but for now there's a high chance that this might go up again. So up or down depending how the stock behaves tomorrow. We'll keep a good close watch. Going to ICICI. Yeah, this is ICICI Bank. The charts have been very good to us. We've been watching them very closely, but I think I'll be in a much better position to explain when we go to an hourly chart. Remember this line that we have drawn, that this would be the resistance line that any movement would have to cross. Yesterday it did cross above the line, but they were very weak moves. There was no strong move. But you just have a look at this chart today. The way it has moved, the positive signs that this chart is giving, it's amazing. It's totally amazing. It's gone up and should probably stay there for some time. The next resistance zone would be somewhere here. If I were to put a mark, this would be the resistance zone. It is about to touch the resistance zone, right? Once it touches this, once once it touches this stock will be at an all-time high, So let's wait. If this brief line is crossed, it might be a good idea to go after ICICI. Now at number 5 we had a new entrant, that is HDFC Life. So HDFC Life has been going down for quite some time. It's been almost any and almost more than any year since it showed any real promise to us. It was going down, but what has happened over the last 6 or 7 months is that a sort of consolidation has started in this stock. Look at this region here. Mind where my cursor is moving. This region. So sort of good consolidation has happened. I'm tempted to draw a line over here just to say that this is our supply zone. Over there, let me draw. Where is my rectangle gone? Here it is. Sorry. Let me draw this a little longer. This is the supply zone that we have. Right. If the stock goes above this, I expect some good movement until here. Until here, this is a good resistance line that is that will see these all these three or four peaks are meeting this line. So that would be a resistance developing over 3 or 4 months, and after 4 months again, 5 months again. So this trend line, this resistance line totally makes sense. In case the stock was to cross this one, the next target would be 647. That is the place of the trend line. Let's go to the daily chart and see. We've already studied this. We have already studied the daily chart. But one interesting phenomena happening at the daily chart is this one. You know, this trend line. It's just been crossed, and the next resistance is at this place. So I expect HDFC Life to move up and touch 647 very soon. Let's see how this behaves. I don't think so we'll see anything good after this, anything not good, anything substantial after this. Yeah, see, nothing substantial. Alright, we have already seen this movement, so let it will continue. Going back to the monthly chart, I had just had one observation here, right? You see what is happening? There's a small Dow forming here. How is this? Started from here, went till here, right? Now again till here, now again till here. So if in case this movement crosses this resistance line, right, expect the stock to come to finish anywhere near here. Where did it start? It's not exactly visible, but yeah, expect the line to finish somewhere here. So this upward trajectory that we were just talking about has just started. It is expected to do good, but you have to wait and watch. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video today. Hope to see you soon with the